Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Abiel, and today we are going to be doing a necklace, and it's called Fingerlings. And it's a fingerling necklace, and my mommy bought it from Walgreens. Now I'm going to teach you how to do a necklace. It gives you two options, so you can make a bracelet or a necklace. But today we're going to be doing a necklace. So first I'm going to do yellow and blue, yellow, blue, yellow, blue, and then when it stops, and then when I don't have enough yellow and blue, I go to the next part. So now I'm going to pick blue. And do you know what letter banana starts with? It starts with B. Banana. You always have to sound things out loud so you can hear what you're spelling out. And do you know what letter a leaf starts with? It starts with L. And look, it's so cute. Look how cute it is. It's a unicorn, two monkeys, purple and pink. Now I put those two things down, and now let me start making my necklace. Put the pink monkey right next to the pattern. Now I'm going to put the banana. Now I'm going to do purple, pink, purple, pink. Let me bring all the purples and pink. And you need to listen to your teacher. If you don't, you're not going to go to first grade. If you're in kindergarten. If you're in kindergarten and you don't listen to your teacher, you're not going to go to first grade. You're going to stay in kindergarten. See, I'm in kindergarten. I listen to my teacher. That's why I know how to do this. And that's why, yes, And that's why on Saturday, I did math. So that means I was listening to my teacher. I don't have enough purple. Do you know what to do? You have to grab these 2 pinks and put those 2 pinks together. You see I'm all done? Now my mommy's going to help me put it on. You see this beautiful necklace? Don't forget to ask one of your parents to buy this Walgreens, just in case if you want on one of these necklaces. See you later.